Morning, Fast Cap. Lucas here at Little Lipper, and I built these this morning, and I noticed that when I'm drilling and screwing here, my screws are way down back there, kind of hard for my big hands to reach. And then when I get up to the next step and I'm attaching stuff, again, my bolts are way down below where I need them to be, so there's a lot of wasted motion going on with the bolts and the washers here. And I want to grab a bolt and a washer together, and so it's not really making sense to have them split on opposite sides of this. Okay, so here's what we did. We put riser blocks on all these, so now your screws are right at the level you use them. Your nuts and bolts are close, or bolts and washers are close, right at the level that you use them right there. The plastic ones are only used in anomalies, so they're left down there. Labeled that restocks all in the POP above the station. Then in the POP above the station, found that we still had grease in here that we haven't used here in years, so we got rid of that. The Kanban for the tap was actually in a clamshell up here, whereas all the other Kanbans are in the POP. So now the tap is Kanban in the POP along with everything else. Then this drill, I'm still gonna put a red tag on the back, but it was labeled as a number 7 drill bit. We're using a 3/32, so I got restocks of 3/32, got that labeled properly. And then the label holder here was all loose and wobbling all around, so went down underneath and secured it with a bolt and a washer, because before it was just threaded into the OSB. And now that we got bigger bolt containers, I had to restock bolts here, and it didn't actually hold all the bolts. So I tore this bag open, and it looks like it's about to spill, but I couldn't get them all in there. Now we can fit an entire bag of bolts all at one time when we restock, so we don't have bolts going all over the place.